Hi, my name is Anthony Sakari, owner at New York State Solar Farm, and I'm excited to be at Wallkill View Farms right now, where we help them go solar with a 35 kW system consisting of 83 430 watt sun power panels. This system offsets 80% of their electric bill and is saving them $156,000 in utility bills over the course of 30 years. Not only does it have the savings on the financial side, but it's just such a showpiece for the community to see. It's on the pavilion on the side of the building, where in the summertime they have their flowers, they have the hay bales with the pumpkins out in October, and during the holidays they have their Christmas trees out there. And what's awesome is now in the pavilion we have our solar system, so when people come here and they're looking and they're shopping and they're doing their different things, they have that system on the roof to just show what's possible and all of this renewable energy that they're producing here. And it's so cool that everything here is powered by solar clean energy, and we couldn't be more excited to help them and for them to choose us to be part of this project. Some of the environmental benefits that go along with this project are the annual CO2 offset and emissions for the planet. 3,546 gallons of gasoline are offset, 23,669 pounds of waste, 811 trees planted, seedlings growing over 10 years, and 26 acres of US forest.